Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm making a roasted tomato and red pepper soup. This is a beautiful soup. There's lovely flavours in this soup too. And it's always nice to have a nice soup recipe, and this is definitely one you're all going to love. So to get started, just get yourself a nice big tray, and onto here I'm going to add a kilogram of tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomatoes. I'm using these baby plum tomatoes. They're nice and sweet. Just make sure to get a good tomato with good flavour, because I know there's lots of tomatoes out there in the market that have absolutely no taste to them. So get them onto the tray. If you have your own tomatoes, even better. So onto here I've got some red peppers. I've just cut them into large chunks, and I've got 300 grams, about 2 large peppers. 1 onion, and I've cut it into wedges. And I've got 3 large garlic cloves. Just throw them in full. You don't need to chop them. Drizzle over about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. Give it all a good mix. Great, these are ready for the oven, and we're going to roast them for about 40 minutes. We want the tomatoes and peppers to get nice and soft and caramelised. My tomato and peppers are roasted. They smell gorgeous with lots of lovely juices there, and I've put them into my pan. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. And I'm going to cook this together for about 1 minute. This is ready now for the stock, and I've got 750 ml of vegetable stock. I just use a stock cube. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of basil, dried basil, and a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar just helps the acidity of the tomatoes. And we're going to cook this together, bring it to the boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. My soup is ready and it smells just gorgeous. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blitz it so it's nice and smooth. Great, that's perfect. You can see how nice and smooth it is. That's my soup now. That's it all done. Just going to have a little taste. Lovely, you can taste the lovely flavour from the red peppers. It's beautiful. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper and a little salt. And mix that in. You can have this as it is. I always like to add a little bit of cream or milk to my soups. We could add some mascarpone too. If you want to add mascarpone, just take a couple of ladles of soup out and add them to your mascarpone cheese and mix it until it's nice and smooth and there's no lumps, and then add it back into your soup, and you'll have a lovely creamy roast tomato and pepper soup. So I'm going to add some cream, about 100 ml. I will include the amounts for if you want to add milk or mascarpone to your soup. If you plan to freeze this, it does freeze really well, but if you do plan to freeze it, I wouldn't put the cream on it when you're going to freeze it. I just add the cream or the milk when you are going to serve it up. And that's it. Looks beautiful, smells beautiful, and tastes gorgeous. And there you have it, everyone. My roast tomato and pepper soup, a nice easy recipe for you all, and this is packed with flavour. Roasting the vegetables brings out all the sweetness in the vegetables. Try it out, and I really hope you enjoyed this one as much as you have enjoyed some of my other soup recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.